Standard 4th, Subject English, Chapter Words from Letters. Hello, students. Good morning. Good morning, teacher. Students, have a look at this chart. Who will read this chart? May I, teacher? Yes, please. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice, J for jar, K for kite, L for lamp, M for mango, N for net, O for ox, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for road, S for sun, T for table, U for umbrella, V for vegetable, W for wall, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Very good, Raju. Everybody is familiar with these letters. Now look at the blackboard. Students, today we are going to learn to make words. How to make words from letters? First, we will start with simple words. Okay? But before this, we will make pairs of letters using A to Z letters in different ways. आधी आपण दोन दोन अक्षरांच्या जोड्या करून पाहूया. फॉर एक्झाम्पल A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Students, you can also help me for making pairs in different way. Teacher, can I try? Yes, sure. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Good. Now make pairs using any letters randomly. आतापर्यंत आपण वर्णमालेतील अक्षरे क्रमानेच वापरत होतो. आता क्रम न पाळता कोणतीही दोन अक्षरे घेऊन जोड्या जुळवा. AZ, BY, CX, DW, EV, FU, GT, HS, LR, JQ, KP, IO, MN. Very good, Nisha. Students, start numbering each letter. A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6, G7, H8, I9, J10, K11, L12, M13, N14, O15, P16, Q17, R18, S19, T20, U21, V22, W23, X24, Y 25, Z 26. Very good.